So we started with the center part, and then I've taken a section on both sides using a horizontal parting. So we have two rectangles. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to create braids going back, but there's a twist to it at the end. I'm going to take this section, split it into 3 sections, and I'm going to do a simple 3-strand braid, right over center, left over center, and we're going to go all the way to the ends. Now I'm going to take just one of these 3 pieces, and I'm going to hold on to it, and I'm going to push the rest of the braid up to the beginning, and then we're just going to spread that out a little bit. And then I'm going to take an elastic and just place it around the end of the braid. So we're going to the end of this as opposed to the end of the hair completely. And I'm just going to go around twice just to give it, this is just a placeholder for now. Now we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Now that I've got my 2 braids in, I'm going to go in and I'm just going to spray with a little bit of Strengthening Control hairspray from Pureology, and then I'm just going to smooth it over with the side of my brush, just to keep that really, really shiny. Now what I'm going to do is take the 2 braids, make sure that's clean underneath. I'm going to bring them together, and then we're going to place an elastic just above where the other 2 elastics are. So just above it. I'm going to take a pair of scissors now and just cut the first 2 elastics that I put in on the individual braids. So I'm going to take a piece now from underneath the ponytail and just take a small piece. I'm going to wrap it around the elastic a few times. And then what I'm going to do is take a large hairpin. I'm going to place it through. I'm going to twist this piece and just feed it through the pin. So I'm holding on to it, and then I'm going to take the pin and pull the piece through. So we hide it, it's in there, and it's secure. Now I'm going to take a little bit of Strengthening Control hairspray, lightly mist, and I'm just going to go around and smooth all the little flyaways, smooth this down with my hands, just mold it so that it becomes one. So here's Kelly finished. We've got a center part, it's going back off of her forehead, coming down at an angle. It's simple, it's beautiful, it's clean, and it's a braid, but it's a lot more interesting than just a regular braid.